Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered what would happen if the moon started spiraling towards Earth? Buckle up, because this hypothetical scenario is nothing short of catastrophic. In the first month, the moon would shine brighter and we'd see higher tides, about 4 meters more per day. Coastal cities flooded. Fast forward to months 2 through 5 and things get worse. Tidal waves would inundate coastal areas, displacing billions. Global infrastructure crumbles, communication and shipping are disrupted, and freshwater sources get contaminated with salt water. Think fuel shortages and refinery closures too. By months 6 and 7, the moon's gravity would cause extreme tides, hundreds of kilometers high, exposing the continental shelf. Moonquakes and distortions in the moon's shape would add to the chaos, triggering major earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on Earth. From months 8 to 11, the moon looks enormous in the sky. Volcanic aerosols cause global cooling, acid rain, and bizarre weather patterns. Frequent eclipses make things even more eerie. Come month 12, the moon hits the Roche limit about 10,000 kilometers away and is torn apart by Earth's gravity. Debris forms a ring around our planet, and atmospheric friction heats things up. In the long run, volcanic and meteoric aerosols could block sunlight, leading to a period of runaway freezing. Survival would only be possible in submarines, bunkers, or mountaintops. So there you have it, the ultimate moon crash catastrophe. Remember, this is just a hypothetical scenario, but it's fascinating and terrifying to consider what could happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending space content. Until next time, keep looking up.